So this is me using this video right now. I'm going to be raising my hands up. So this is me using the video, as you can see. So there's no watermark on it, as at this time and this date. As you can see, this is where we are today. So I'm going to be raising my hands. I'm going to be waving and wave my two hands. This video is strictly for educational purpose. You can send me a direct message on my Telegram to get this particular software. Do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.